fighters fighting inside the ring. Introducing first the fighter from the blue corner. He's wearing black trunks with the Philippine flag and yellow trims. Official weight 149 pounds. He's fighting and representing the Big Five boxing gym. Lapos, He's representing the Cavite Boxing Gym. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing Ray Ramos. And his opponent across the ring, wearing white trunks. Official weight, 146 pounds. And he's representing the Big Five Boxing Gym, Brian Macamay. Once again, your referee for the final instructions.
We are live here in Ilorde, Sucat, Parañaque for War of Gold, featuring vacant WBC Asia Super Featherweight Championship between Ayman Abubakar and of Malaysia against Kisham Lakijun Sim of India. This will be the main event for today's festivities. But for our first bout, it will be Brian Macamay of Big Five Boxing Gym in Tarlac City against Ray Ramos of Lapus Boxing Stable in Cavite. These two savvy veterans na maglalaban ngayon, they are fighting in a catchweight 145 weight division. Yung Macamay nakaputi, yung Ramos naka black, red, and yellow trim. This event is given to us by Hardstone Moniz Boxing Promotion in cooperation with Team AB of Malaysia. Third man in the ring, Eduardo Nobleza. This is a 4-round fight, Salamat. Salamat sa mga nanonood ngayon sa live here in Ilorde. Nandito tayo sa Grand Ballroom. For the streaming, we are also live in Ilorde TV. And simultaneously, we are live in the Facebook page also of the Hardstone promotion. And this is Alvin Esco, your commentator for this day's boxing. Salamat sa lahat ng nanonood at nagpapa-shoutout. We will give time on it a little bit later. For now, concentrate tayo sa laban. Yung Macamay has sporting a record of 11, 14, and 3 with 7 KO. Yung Ray Ramos may 8 panalo, 19 loss, 3 draw, and 3 coming from knockout. So both of these fighters wanted the W on the record. Nice body combination by Ramos. Jab, Macamay. Jab to the body, may Macamay. Sa mga nagtatanong, ito pa lang ang unang bout for this boxing event. At meron po tayong 12 laban for this day. Again, this event is given to us by Hardstone Moniz Boxing Promotion. End of the first round po. Salamat sa lahat ng nanonood. Hindi po kayo namamalikmata. Mag-isa po akong nagko-commentate for this time around. And hopefully, samahan nyo ako until the last, ang sabi ko nga sa inyo, ang ating main event ay for the vacant WBC Asia Super Featherweight Championship between Ayman Abubakar of Malaysia against Kisham Lakisan Singh of India. Both of the fighters are sporting a good quality record. Yung Abubakar ay mayroong kartadang 12 wins, 2 loss, 1 draw, 7 KO. Yung Kisham Lakisan Singh from India has a record of 14 wins, 1 loss, and 9 by a KO. Yan po ang ating main event for this time. We are going round number 2 of a scheduled 4-round affair between Brian Macamay of Big 5 Boxing Gym against Ray Ramos of Lapus Boxing Stable. Nice straight to the body by Macamay. Pero gumanti yung Ramos ng body combination. And again, nice body. And yung mga gloves they are wearing is also doing a fair share in helping this event. Fairtex Philippines. Salamat sa tulong ng pagbibigay at ng mga fight gear for our boxer today. Uy, kamusta? Coach Dodi Boy Agravio, and congratulations to the team for bringing the Asian Boxing Federation title for Liboy Atesio. Okay, sana magtuloy-tuloy ang success ni Liboy eventually. Nice left to the body by Macamay that sent Ramos down to the canvas. Beat the count on round number 9 for Ramos. So we'll see. Oh, that punch to the body sent Ramos for the second time around on this fight. We'll see if he could beat the count this time. I don't think so. Brian Macamay winning by a second round knockout over Ray Ramos. Yan po lang po ay ang pasimulang bout ngayon ng Hearthstone Moniz Boxing Promotion in cooperation with Box Club Sports and Entertainment. Ito pong palabas na to at paboxing ay pinamagatang War for Gold. Kasi po ay both of the fighters who will be fighting in the main event will vie for the vacant WBC Asia Super Featherweight Championship. Sabi ko nga, Ayman Abubakar from Malaysia against Kisham Lakisan Singh of India. This bout will be a little bit more later pa po kasi yan po ang main event natin for this card. Lahat po tayo ay nag-iintay sa ganyang magagandang championship given to us by Hearthstone Moniz Promotion. Live po tayo, nandito po tayo sa The Flash Gun Ballroom, Elorde Sports Complex, Sucat, Parañaque, habang hinihintay natin yung official decision ng ating ring announcer.
Referee Eduardo Nobleza stopped the bout at 1 minute 50 seconds of the second round for your winner by knockout, Brian Macamay.
Officially, Brian Macamay winning by a KO over Ray Ramos.